Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Jim, and in this video I wanted to show you a model that I recently completed, and it's actually a palace. And let me pull this up for you. I'm working on the BrixModel 3D modeling platform, and I recently created a palace called the Palace of Westminster. Let's pull it up and have a look. And this is my recent creation. And I have to admit, I got a little carried away on this one, but I couldn't stop once I got started, and I'm happy to show it to you today. So let's take a look at what we've got here. It is the Palace of Westminster. This is the Houses of Parliament for the United Kingdom government. It's the House of Commons and the House of the Lords, and there's many parts to this building, and I'm just going to show off a few of the parts to it. You'll recognize some of it, of course. It's a very famous building. Lots of tourists come to visit this building, so I thought I would take a look at it and see what I could come up with in a modeling situation. It's a palace on the Thames River. You can see the Thames here in the city of London, England, and you will immediately recognize the tower in the end. This is the Elizabeth Tower, commonly called Big Ben, or the Clock Tower, sometimes it's known as. And it's actually the second tallest tower in this palace. The Victoria Tower is slightly taller, and it's at the northwest corner right here. And that's where the flag, United Kingdom flag, flies on the Victoria Tower. And in the center is the Central Tower. It was originally built for ventilation, but it certainly is striking and completes the whole picture. If we swing around to the rear of this palace, you can see Westminster Hall. That's this building right here. It's a famous medieval hall. It's gone through several incarnations and is currently famous events are held there. It's quite a large open hall. So I just wanted to show you this. It's obviously 3D, so you can turn around and have a look at it from different angles. It's Now I'm going to just tell you a little bit about how I put this thing together, give you an idea how this works. It really takes advantage of the fact that you can group parts together. And if you group a collection of parts together, then you can copy those parts. And in short order, you can build up a larger structure, and that's what I've done here. For example, if you look at something like this corner block here, if I select it, you can see that that's one piece. And then what I've done is just applied a face image onto that and then copy that part many times, and you can create quite a complex structure. I'll just sort of show you how that works. Let's say you wanted to take this corner block. You can just copy that. There's an icon here to copy it. There we go. There, and that all that is just a part that's from the kit. It's a basic shape like a block or something like that. You just take a block, put it there, set what size you want it to be, and there, you've got your block. And then you can apply images to the block. So you just right click here, apply a face image. You can pick images from the stock library. Let's try something, let's try some bricks. I'll put some red bricks on it. There we go. So that's how that's done. And you can take another part here. This is a collection of cones and cylinders and rods, and let's copy that. And we can put that over there, and there you can see. So you get the idea how we built that up. It's pretty straightforward. And obviously you can load your own images in there or use the stock images. Use the parts from the library to build whatever structure or creation you'd like to make. So that's how that's done. Let's just take out these sample parts here and okay, and just a couple other things I'll show you about this. We can even hide the toolbox here if you want to view this thing in a little bigger. That's nice. Like all good models, it's got a nameplate here. That's what the information box is. If you build a model, you're going to want to tell people what it is and what the important parts are. That's what the information nameplate here is all about. So when you're building your own model, you can write whatever you need in there. And of course, we put in some controls because on the 3D BrixModel platform, it's interactive, so you can actually make things happen and program certain events. That's what I like to do. So I'm going to show you a couple of things here. There's two switches you'll notice down here. We've got, let's flip this toggle switch and see what happens. The clock. The Big Ben clock tower is now showing us the time. And that's actually the real time. So that's set up to 10 after 8. By my watch, it's 10 after 8. So that's great. And the other interactive feature on this model is the flag that blows in the wind. We'll just turn that feature on. And we can now see our flag. It's got a little bit of breeze blowing down the Thames River at the moment. So that's about everything. Obviously there's a lot of pieces to the model, but feel free to look at this yourself. If you go to BrixModel.com, you can find this model in the gallery. Just go gallery, buildings, there's the Palace of Westminster. You can play with this yourself, move parts around, get an idea of how you do that, and then I'm sure you'll think of all sorts of ways you want to build your own model. I'll just leave you with a couple of other interesting features that are put into this model. Of course, a clock tower wouldn't be complete without some bells. So that's kind of cool. I like that. So if you like this one, you can share this model with anybody. You can just, let's get the toolbox back here. And if you click on this link icon, you can get a link to this model, and you can copy that and post that anywhere you like to show it off to other people that you think might be interested. That would be great. It helps out the channel. So please do that. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like it and give it a thumbs up. That would be much appreciated. And of course, if you hit that bell, then you'll be notified when I do another model. So I'm going to do another model, and I'll do another video and show that one off as well. So hit the bell, and you'll know, and make sure that you see that video. So I'd like to say thank you for watching. It's been fun building the model. It's been fun showing it to you today. And just to get us further in the mood, I'll leave us with some more audio that we've got. And I will say goodbye and thank you for watching.
The next station is Westminster. Change for the Jubilee line. Exit for Westminster Abbey, the Houses of Parliament, and riverboat services from Westminster Pier.
Bye now, and thank you for watching. Till the next time, we'll see you.